Yes, let's pretend we're alien hosts and we're digging in the dirt for dinosaur bones. Can you help? Awesome. Oh, I think we found one. Right. I need your help figuring out what kind of dinosaur this is. Let's use our brush so we can get all the dirt off. So we can really see what's on. Out of all the dinosaurs we learned, what kind do you think this is? Yeah, I think it looks like an apatosaurus too. Good job. Let's look for our next dinosaur. There it is. Let's take our brush and put it all on. Out of the dinosaurs we learned, what